Cockatoo is alive, however, his health condition has deteriorated. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Contrary to a number of reports circulating on social media, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed that reggae singer Cockatoo is not dead. Reports surfaced online Thursday evening that the veteran entertainer had passed away. It is believed that the singer is ill and has been hospitalized. However, the severity of his condition is not known up to the publication of this report. However, it is known that he is not doing very well. Calvin Cockatoo Scott was born in Rocky Point, Clarendon, and has a home in Florida, USA, where he is residing now. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.